today he called in 25 more people to come into work in when we spoke with in the grocery store said, of course, they wanted to get in, get their necessities, and then get out before the brunt of the storm comes. We also saw people preparing their own driveways and shoveling and putting salt out. There's plenty of folks just trying to get ready for the blizzard warning that they've been hearing and just hoping that they can hunker down for the night. But we did also run into folks who said they are hardy New Englanders, and this is just what they expected, and there is no cause for them to be overly concerned. For now, we're live in Quincy. Susan Trent, 7 News.
Well, the wintry conditions on the road did cause an accident in Wilmington this morning. This happened about 5 a.m. The car was going down 93 South when the driver apparently lost control and crashed. 3 people were in the car at the time. All of them refused medical attention. Their car was towed away without stopping any of the light traffic this morning. Well, adding a blizzard warning to holiday travel is turning holiday cheer into a headache for some. Families arrived at Logan Airport early this morning hoping to catch a flight before the snow closes in. Midwest storms created a ripple effect, causing some delays and cancellations. Massport says the majority of all flights are either canceled or at least delayed. Today, one of the busiest travel days of the year, but the weather has already trumped some holiday plans.
We were going ultimately to Belize, but our connecting flight was in Newark, and all those flights to Newark have been canceled for today. So the earliest we can get out possibly is tomorrow, maybe, or Wednesday.
And officials at Logan say several airlines have already announced stoppages. AirTran will stop flying at 2:30, JetBlue at 4. With this storm coming, there are some steps you want to take to be prepared. A winter emergency kit should include flashlights, a portable radio, and of course extra batteries. Make sure your cell phone is charged in case you lose power. A first aid kit would include any prescription medicines, also plenty of bottled water, and non-perishable food items, along with a manual can opener. You don't want to be caught with that can and no way to get into it. Of course, you want to load up on blankets and sleeping bags in case the heat goes out for a prolonged period of time. You can stay on top of the storm with our new 7 News weather app. There's an interactive radar there and weather maps and up-to-the-minute updates on the system heading our way. Just search WHDH in your iPhone's app store and then choose the app that says 7 Weather. And be sure to tune in for Today in New England tomorrow morning. We're going to have storm coverage starting early, a special time, 4:30 a.m. Again, that's tomorrow morning, right here on 7 News Today in New England. Coming up on this special edition of 7 News at noon, the snow is already coming. Looking live in Boston this afternoon, we're going to go back to Pete and Dylan for the latest track of this big winter storm. Plus, it's not only the Northeast dealing with snow. We'll show you where there's already been an unusually white Christmas.
Workout World has extended its once-a-year $99 sale. Hey, just $99 for 12 full months. That's right, just $99.